Well, hi folks, I'm going to make a few of these wavy edge bowls as we call them today. Just a simple bowl with a scalloped edge, but you can go mad with the design inside, and they do look quite effective, I must admit. So I'll just show you how we make a few of those. Using about 1.25 pounds of clay for these. Throw a bit of a cylinder first. I'm going to leave a good like 3/4 of an inch at the bottom because they're on a sort of a pedestal foot, if you will, so you need a bit of depth. I'm just going to push it at the bottom, form a little bit of a foot. Just stretch it out. Stretch it out to form the bowl. It needs to be quite thin at the rim so you can sort of alter the rim. What I'm going to do now to make the little scallops is just using my middle finger. I'm just going to keep going round like that. Just make sure your finger's nice and lubricated, and then when you get to about this stage, you just got to sort of figure out how many you can get. So I reckon I can get another 3 in there. So that's what we do. That's one with a scallop on. Let's do another couple. So what I'll do for the last one, I'll do a different design, which is just 2 big scallops, if you will, one at either side, one at either end, sorry. I'll just show you how we do that on the last one. Get 2 out of that. And that's what they look like. Obviously turn the foot a bit better the next day. Show you a slightly different variation. for this one, I'm just going to do two big, like, spouts, if you will. So you're just going to, as if you were putting a spout on a jug. As you can see, it's quite stretchy, so there's no problem, and that's the sort of effect you get with that. So that's quite a nice shape as well. So there we go, folks. That's just a few little ideas. Scalloped edge bowl and a spout edged bowl.